Bad Company reversing heavy on this fish that they've just hooked up here in front of us. Not that close, but yeah, you can see clearly they're reversing with that big 38 foot. Makes it a little bit easier and letting them catch the fish quite quickly. Yeah.
Gold like it, GNS. How's that backwards speed?
Trawl up to Bazaruto, where we go to join Bad Company.
We've got some electronics that really help.
Yes.
And then all I've ever done is fish for 50 years.
Yes.
So
those electronics, does it scan forward and then do you mark it?
Scans all the way around.
And then do you
know what's really surprising? Here more than any other place, I'll see them behind us. Like, I'll drive through an area and they won't be there, and then they'll be over where those huts are. After I go by, one will come up.
And then you turn on him.
Turn all the way around, come right back through, and get a bite.
That's incredible.
Here's the prize. Yeah, we're going. Here's the owner of the boat, Justin. The guy there with the Badco coming here, he's the owner of the boat. And his name's Anthony, and this is Steve Lassley. It's Rian.
How are you?
How are you doing?
Good. Nice to meet you.
He's the captain. And Anthony, Rian Chalmers. How are you doing?
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good.
Yeah. Well done, eh? You've done fantastically well.
Good. Had a lot of help.
From Dwight.
Dwight gave us a lot of information and.
Anthony's boat. Oh, here we go.
The engine room is below here.
Wait. We got locked out.
Button there.
You need some ID.
ID?
Visa. You need a visa.
I'm a crew member.
You are?
Yeah, cheers.
Awesome.
I think I'm the only one that's paying subscription.
Oh, nice.
These Zimbos can't afford it, they smoke too much.
Shame.
So do we ring the bell on Bad Company? Support. Yeah, so we now. What is this?
Don't worry about the bad part.
Just like your wiring on your boat.
It's so long, eh? Yeah. That's it, dude.
No, it's Greek.
Greek.
Flying low.
The reality is we're still going out to sea.
Yeah. Put it on.
Boys, we just spent a few hours with Bad Company, and now we're going between Miguera and Bazaruto through the gap, and we got another hour and a half back to Luneni.
Wow.
See you on the other side.
Crazy.
Perfect. I lost it, okay. Go on, keep going, I'll give it to Rick. Rick, you've got guns flying up. Come on, jump, Charlie.
I don't know where you were. You were camouflaged.
Lift it, stay in here.
Tell me, Ricky, what are you going to catch now?
Well, I'm up in the wind, 10 minutes, and I'm waiting for the grander.
That's
On its way.
a blue one.
A blue grander, yes.
Blue or black.
Male.
Blue
Male grander.
100%. That'd be a record. that. Spot, the house or lodge. Yay! What a trip.
Yep.
Thank you, Warren, that was awesome.
Thank you.
And yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Little crayfish sandwich. Cheers.
So cheers.